Okay, we're back. Different site today. I have been here before. Got some silver here before and some other coins and bits of stuff like that, so we're going to try our luck. Beautiful day today. It's going to be about 15 degrees Celsius. It's pretty sunny, and we're expecting some rain tonight. So I figured I'd come out tonight and get it done. Okay guys, I'll see you guys shortly at the first find. Okay, got a good signal in here. It's in the plug, I've already dug it. Let's see what it is. It is a cent. That's usually the way I start off digs. Can't get very much from that. Sorry about all the noise, guys. There's some guy driving around in a four-wheeler collecting garbage. This one's silver. See that? It's a copper pipe fitting. Oh well. It's giving off a really good signal. Let's keep moving, guys. On to the next. Coin ball. Right here. Let's see what it is. It's a cent. It's an American. You have to get a date off that. I don't think it's too old. They're doing some earthworks here today. Hopefully they'll turn some dirt for us. Get to the older stuff. I know there's stuff down there. It's pretty deep. There's a lot of trash too, so it's tough detecting here. So I'm digging any signal that sort of repeats for the most part. Okay guys, let's keep moving along on to the next. Well, there's some copper on this one right here. Doesn't look round. Let's see if we can find it. There is a coin down there, you can see it right at the bottom. It's just a cent, fortunately. Alright, we got another target down here in the hole, I believe. Little piece of aluminum right there. Don't think that was it. No, there's something else down there. Let's see if we can get it out. I saw something really small. It was very small. It was a ball of some sort. sure it was in here. Weird. Oh. There. It's right there. Super small. It's like a little, I don't know, from a gun or something. It's not a BB. Looks like it's lead. It's definitely lead by the look of the color of it. That's very small. As you can see, little granules of dirt. Anyway, there you go. That's probably what it was. It was repeating somewhat. I got that with the 12.5-inch coil. Clear enough for me to dig up. Cool. Okay, let's keep moving, guys. On to the next. Okay, got another signal in the hole here. Let's see what it is. It's a little bit windy today. Hopefully it's not bothering the video too much. You guys can hear me okay. Something in here. Oh, and I think it's silver. You can see it right there. You can see a rim. Right in the middle of your screen. Let's bring it out, see what it is. Looks like an older edge. Let's see. It's a George. Take a guess on the year, guys. I'm gonna say 39. Close. 1940. First silver of the day. Hopefully we'll get some more. Awesome. Let's keep moving, guys. On to the next. Got another signal in this hole. It's not hitting too bad. It was hitting pretty good right off the bat, but after I did the plug, the tone mellowed down a little bit. So let's see what it is. What's that? I'm not sure what this is. Could be junk? Nope. That's cool. Look at that. Could be a stone or something in the hole too. But there's one of the edges. There's the other one. And when it sits upside down, you can see it looks broken off. I'm not sure if it's silver or not. It's got some weight to it. Let's check the plug, or check the hole. Foil. Okay, well, I'll take that. I'm gonna fill the hole up and scan it again. I'm not sure if the rest of it's here or not, but we'll check. Okay, guys, on to the next. Got another signal in here. This is pretty much in the same area as I got that half a ring and the silver dime from. So let's see what we got here. This is hitting half decent too. Hitting in the coin range. Just here. There it is. You can see a little bit poking through. Just a cent this time. Nope, it's not an old one. Okay, here's another signal. This one was hitting, I don't know, 135, 136. It's in the hole. Just down here somewhere. Oh, what's that? I wonder if that's silver. Definitely wasn't hitting like silver on my E-track. Let's see. It was hitting lower. And it is, it's not silver. Kind of looked like it, but it wasn't hitting very high at all. No, just a dime. Another target. Not sure what it is. It's heavy, threaded. It's not too old. Gave off a really good signal.